Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Parasphere. Yes, they are here, and they've always been sphere.
If you will. My method? I believe seeing is believing. So what I believe to do is to teach others to see for themselves.
So
that's what it's all about.
Let's talk about how we're going to do that now.
We are going to create a sacred place and do the traditional prayers for the opening of the gates. We will specifically invite whatever is here, if it's willing, to communicate, to show some sign, because these entities are out there. I already sense it.
Holy right there.
What is that? What is that?
We got something. Hold on. Right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Where it was last time. It just went away. Dang it. Right under the sun, and it was right in that portion of the sky. While Ariel is talking to us about how he hopes that he can reach whatever the phenomena is here on the ranch, suddenly we notice to the west there's something glowing in the sky.
Well, it's been popping up in that same spot that it always pops up.
Did you see it? You saw it, right?
Oh, I saw it.
There it is again. It's back.
Right there. There it is again. Right there.
It's gone again. And it's in the same place every time.
Yes.
This object that we're seeing, it shows up, it glints really brightly, and then disappears as if into a speck. It was pretty crazy.